Hi everyone, summer is here and we are all excited to go out and enjoy the sun. But before you dig into the barbecue, potluck or picnic, let's talk about the food safety. Yeah. You don't want to spend your whole summer in ER due to foodborne illnesses. The wrong choice can affect not just you, but your whole family. Last year, a friend of mine spent 48 hours in the ER with her whole family just because of what they ate during a summer festival. You don't want that happening to you. That sucks. But today, let's dive into it. Let's make sure your summer days stays fun, safe, and with these do's and don'ts. It's summer, we're gonna have fun. It's summer! Yay! I'm so happy. I love sunshine and I know you do. But first thing first, avoid potlucks at all costs. Sure, they are fun, but they can be a breeding ground for foodborne illnesses. Why? Not everyone follows the best hygiene, you know that, and cooking practices. So I'm not sure why you're going to trust other people to bring those food that you want to eat. Have you seen their kitchen before? Have you seen their toilets before? Have you seen them cook? Have you seen them wash utensils? Make sure you avoid. There is a lot of nyama people do in the kitchen, so you don't want to get sick. For example, if someone isn't storing their food at the right temperature, you could be risking contamination. My advice, skip the cooking and buy from a trusted place to be safe. Hello? Yeah, to be safe. And number 2, next, let's talk about barbecue. We all love grilling in the summer. Yeah, it's fun having friends and family come over. But I want you to minimize the grilling of hot dogs and sausages. Why? Well, these processed meats often contain preservatives and additives, and when they are grilled, they form harmful chemicals called nitrosamines. I don't know if you watched my video on preservatives. Run to my YouTube channel and watch those videos and have food knowledge. These are carcinogenic, meaning they can increase the risk of cancer over time. Instead, opt for real meat or fish like steak or seafood or your goat meat, any kind of meat. Those won't turn into potential harmful compounds on the grill. Don't forget your food safety gear when you're heading out on trips. I will always tell my friends to pack coolers and ice bags when storing foods for a picnic or a road trip, or any summer outing. A cooler will keep your food at a proper temperature, preventing bacteria from growing. And if you're grilling or cooking outside, remember to bring a cooking thermometer. It's really important. Don't guess, I've seen a lot of barbecues when we open up the chicken or the sausage or whatever burger you have, and it's all red and bloody, and people are going, ew, you don't want to eat that, you don't want to get sick. So make sure you have your kitchen thermometer, have it handy, stick it in there, and make sure it cooked properly, looking at the temperature of your cooked food. That gives you confidence and peace of mind. It's a small tool that ensures your meat is cooked properly, making sure you are not undercooking or overcooking your food. Now, I know buffets are a summer favorite for most people, but avoid them if the food isn't properly heated. Buffets that don't maintain the correct temperature are a food safety hazard. If those hot foods aren't hot enough, it can allow harmful bacteria to grow. Always check that the food is being held at the right temperature, and if you are unsure, skip it. I know, long throat cannot let some of us, but skip it. Lastly, remember to wash your hands frequently and ensure everyone else does, especially when handling raw meat or food that is going to be shared. Or sneezing, touching surfaces, and coughing into the hands, which a lot of people do when they have food unconsciously. But be cautious of it. I know during COVID we all have learned our lessons, but carry on those lessons, because this is what we preach in the industry these days. We preach continuous hand washing. If you want to pick anything, if you go to the washroom, make sure you wash your hands. It's really important. You touch the doors, you touch things that are not safe or unsafe. Make sure that you are washing your hands. And people around you, especially the kids and adults or elderly around you, please make sure they are washing their hands properly before they put that food in their mouth. So summer is about enjoying the sunshine, good food, and even better company. But with these simple tips, you will make sure your summer is not only fun but safe too. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell button for more food safety tips every week. Stay safe and have a fantastic summer.